Drinking and driving is a dangerous choice that can turn deadly. Statistics we found from the State Highway Patrol are sobering.
Since 2010, there have been nearly 2,000 fatal drunk driving crashes in Ohio, killing more than 2,100 people. Already this year, more than 7,600 people have been arrested for OVI in our state. That's about 65 arrests per day. Tonight, only on 5, we take you inside a police academy where people drink too much in a controlled setting so cadets can recognize the signs of intoxication.
And our very own Bob Jones was one of the volunteers.
1007, 1008.
Figuring out if a person, including me, is safe to drive can be a life or death decision. For these police cadets hoping to become officers, field sobriety testing is one of their most important trainings.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to draw an imaginary line straight in front of you. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps along that line, just like this. 1, 2.
But first, we're served alcohol by trained officers at the Summit County Sheriff's University of Akron Police Academy.
Everybody's impairment, affects your ability to operate a vehicle differently. But every single person that's ever left has been like, wow, we've pretty much got this down to a science of how things go.
The process of creating an exact DUI scenario must be that exact. Our first beverage delivered before 11 a.m. Some down beer, others mixed drinks.
Gin and tonic, Bombay, gin. Not bad.
Over the next 2 hours, officers keep distinct tabs on the amount of alcohol we consume.
We have to keep a handle on this because we have to document everything that goes on as far as the alcohol consumption goes.
The dosing is precise, getting the volunteers to various blood alcohol levels.
There's a targeted range we want to get you to when you go out to the students.
It doesn't take long for the group to get giddy as the alcohol keeps flowing. After my second gin and tonic,
Don't stop.
I take a breathalyzer and register .055, still under the legal limit of .080, but clearly I'm starting to feel it.
I could still do a live shot if they asked me to, except I wouldn't.
I'm given a third drink and a fourth. By this time, I've had 7 ounces of liquor, and I'm well over the limit at .113. I realize I'm in no condition to drive, but still believe I can pass sobriety tests.
Don't move your head, just follow it with your eyes.
I was wrong.
Keep your head straight, sir.
My eyes bounce, a dead giveaway, and I struggle with basic instructions and my balance.
2014.
Cadet Eric Plouse delivers the news that surprises no one in the room.
At this point, I would probably arrest you for driving under the influence.
For Plouse, the testing emphasized what we all should already know.
If you even have 1 or 2, just be safe. Just don't drive after.
Breathalyzers show that many of the other volunteers are also drunk. The experience, a real eye-opener.
I took away from it that people drink a lot more and drive than I thought.
I had 3 vodka and ginger ales, and I was already over the limit.
Out in public, in a social setting, people aren't cognizant of how many drinks they're having, what they've eaten, how much they weigh.
By the end of the day, cadets recognize the clues to get drunk drivers off the roads and just how dangerous getting behind the wheel can be after a few drinks.
1, 2.
In green, Bob Jones, News Channel 5.
And because I know you're wondering, everyone who volunteered for the sobriety testing at the police academy, including Bob Jones, was given a ride home.